Well, time to take another look at the forecast with 4029 meteorologist Robert Suhr. So, Robert, the calm before what's really expected to be a pretty active weather week.
Yeah, it really is. We're getting some new model data in this hour, which we'll talk about those showers and thunderstorms, but thankfully none of those tonight. Really nothing to worry about. There's a live look at Fayetteville right now. You can see a lot of backyard fireworks are exploding there all over your screen. Now, in Fayetteville today, you got up to 92 degrees. Kind of a handful of degrees above your average, which is 88. Really not that far off the record set in 2012 of 99. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, things are also nice and quiet tonight, 96 degrees, so 3 degrees above the average for you. 103 today, 11 years ago. Now, as we go through the rest of the week, it's going to be mainly quiet for our fireworks tonight, really no issues, but then we're watching for widespread storm chances tomorrow night and into Thursday morning or into Wednesday morning, and then more storminess Thursday night into Friday and Friday night into Saturday. So about every night we could see these thunderstorm complexes sliding into the region, and they could bring quite a bit of rain with them. You can see perhaps 1.5 inches to as much as 3+ inches of rain, depending on your exact location through Sunday. This is according to the Weather Prediction Center. Right now it's looking like Northwest Arkansas would see the majority of that rain. Outside right now, temperatures ranging from 79 in Winslow, but you're 11 degrees warmer in Springdale at 90 degrees. Still at 90 in Greenwood, 88 in Pecola, and 87 in both Van Buren and Fort Smith. Now, this is new model data from what we showed you in our 6 o'clock news. Nice and quiet tonight, quiet through a good part of our Tuesday, but waking up tomorrow morning, there is going to be a decaying thunderstorm complex that could clip Northwest Arkansas late in the morning with some showers and some additional cloud cover that could act to keep temperatures down. We go through the rest of Wednesday mostly dry. As this front approaches in the overnight hours, it could spark showers and thunderstorms. This model is kind of delaying that now, pushing it back toward the start of rush hour, but that would mean a very wet morning Thursday morning with showers and thunderstorms all over the place. Some of them could be on the strong to severe side as that thunderstorm complex sort of falls apart and decays once it gets into Northwest Arkansas. Storm Prediction Center still saying scattered severe storms are possible Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday night and into Thursday. Hazards, mostly damaging winds, but can't rule out early on some hail. Not really a tornado risk, but with all that heavy rain, we may have to rise our flash flooding risk depending on what we see through our models tomorrow. 70s tonight, and we'll be back into the 90s tomorrow, but it could be a little cooler in Northwest Arkansas if we get all that cloud cover and some of that rainfall tomorrow. But notice here, just about every night, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, we have the chances for showers and storms. Once we get to the weekend, though, things should start to quiet down. Once that front crosses, I should say, getting lost in all this is the dramatic drop in temperatures into the 80s for just our highs. Thursday, we may spend a good part of the day in the 70s in Northwest Arkansas. River Valley, pretty much the same thing. Storm chances Wednesday night, Thursday night, and Friday night. And then we are also looking at seasonable temperatures as we head into the weekend.